How to find trending sounds on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can find trending sounds on Instagram Reels. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to simply go ahead and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, let's say that you want to search for a trending sound on Reels in order to increase your own audience and increase your own growth as well. In that case, what you could do is simply go ahead and locate any of the Reels. And in order to find out whether the sound this person is using is trending or not, all you have to do is tap on the sound which is at the bottom of the screen, the sound name, as you can see. Once you tap on the sound name, you'll be able to see the number of Reels that has been made with this sound. And since this is an original audio, there's only one particular reel, so this is clearly not a trending sound. But if you want to use this audio, you could go ahead and do that. But let's say that you actually come back, and we will simply keep browsing through until we find other reels, and you could go ahead and tap on the sound icon again. And you can see right on this page over here, there are over 291k, which means 291,000 reels made with this particular audio, and this is clearly a very trending sound on the Instagram Reels. And you can see some of the popular videos that has over 1 million views, 5 million views, 100,000 views, and so on. And this is clearly one of the most popular. If you want to save this in case you want to use it later, you can tap on the save audio button, and you can tap on the use audio button if you want it, if you're ready to film it as well. Now you could basically go ahead and repeat all of the process, but this is the way on how you can find Instagram trending sound reels, because there isn't a dedicated section, but at least it will show you the number of reels that has been made with this sound, which will give you a fair idea whether the sound is trending or not. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.